This is the Shitennō-ji temple. It was founded in 593. It's one of Japan's oldest temples. So here's the main gate. Come through here. And this is what you first see. Let's go a bit nearer because I think with the light you don't see the things. These great big demon statues. And isn't that cool? This one, there's the other. This is where you can do the washing your face and mouth thing. This is the outside grounds. I went into that house. It's like a place where they place offerings, I think, and make wishes because there were cards. So I'm not exactly sure, but it looked nice. I didn't take any pictures though because I was thinking that it's some sort of a private place, so let's go to the inner sanctum. And this is the inner place. You have to buy a ticket, but with the Osaka Amazing Pass, this is also included. So I think that ticket is well worth it. It was 2,500 yen, but I think it will make up for the money I paid. Oh my god, the inside of this hall is so beautiful. You can't take pictures. And there was actually a Buddhist priest doing something. I ended up praying, I guess. Probably. And that was kind of amazing. Okay, very amazing. Okay, so this I'm assuming building, this hall at the end of the building complex is, wow. Inside there are two Buddhas, one standing, one sitting. It's so beautiful. Really. And I couldn't take pictures. I was starting crying because it's so beautiful and I can't take pictures. I'll go online and see if there are any pictures online. Has to be, please. You can also climb up there, but it's all stairs. My knees wouldn't be able to take it, but oh, and you have to be barefoot. So no, I'm skipping that. But yeah, must be nice though. If you have good knees, then do it. Maybe bring socks. Look at all the turtles. So cute swimming around. So that was the Shitennō-ji temple, and I hope you enjoyed that. Let's move on to our next destination. I'm trying to find the blue line this time.